1, 2. She walks through the park in the dark. Her best friend was her own heartbeat. With every little step she'd take, she grew one step closer.